nice good evening to every beloved Chelsea fans. Chelsea fans, how una dey and welcome back to Pablo Football TV. And real quick, let's quickly talk about one or two episodes and talking points around Chelsea Football Club or inside Chelsea Football Club. And one or two wey be say na talking points na transfer matter inside Chelsea Football Club and some matter wey be say na signing out those players wey be say we wan sign out and Chelsea final decision on top some of our players. Let's quickly rush into the headline. Let's dive into the headline proper. So first of all, Enzo Fernandez saga and Chelsea Football Club. Why Man City in the middle? The saga continues today because another matter don come outside between on top Enzo Fernandez between Chelsea and wetin dem dey call dem Manchester City. When we get to that point, I go highlight and talk to you about that for una so una go understand. So moving on, Chelsea have joined the race to sign Lamine Camara, Monaco midfielder, a Senegalese player, and Chelsea are now in the race for the border. When we get there, we go talk about am, whether na good deal, whether na good interest, I go let una know when we get to the point. So moving on again, Chelsea are considering selling 4 of our strikers. When we get to that point, I go give you the names of those players wey be say dey on top of Chelsea list to leave Chelsea and why are these people on the list of Chelsea to leave Chelsea Football Club. So first of all, tap the like button for me while we get and rush into the matter proper. Why we start from Enzo Fernandez matter because na him be the hot cake in town. Shey you get? Na Enzo Fernandez be the hot cake in town. Na him be the matter wey dey trend pass inside Chelsea Football Club. So let's go into the matter proper. So first of all today, Chelsea, Fabrizio Romano confirmed it, reported that Chelsea are yet to receive any offer official bid for Enzo Fernandez as of 4 p.m. wey be 4 p.m. UK time, and Chelsea are now looking forward to tell us now that it's now remain 25 hours. No, as of now presently it remain 23 hours for the deadline of Enzo Fernandez exit. You know say Chelsea don make am clear to both Manchester City and Enzo Fernandez camp say the decision you are about to make, we are giving you the deadline to Friday 5 p.m. Make your decision. That is going to be the deadline, and e no go be like say your report now we go carry am go transfer window deadline. They go come carry money come for deadline transfer window day. After that, after selling the border, after bringing the 120 million wey be say dem call Enzo Fernandez, we go come dey run enter to get a new player, a new offer, a new replacement for Enzo Fernandez. E no go work. And Chelsea Football Club, nice of you, nice idea about that because I love that also. Na so Manchester City dey do. They go come wait, they go slow down, they go postpone the move until deadline day. E go come remain like 2 hours for this thing to finish, for transfer window to close. They go come carry that money come buy am. They go submit bid. Chelsea go come sell am finish. We go come dey look for replacement, proper replacement for Enzo Fernandez. That is not going to work this time. This week, Friday, tomorrow na Friday, 5 p.m. tomorrow is going to be the deadline for Chelsea, for Manchester City to do whatever they want to do, and Enzo Fernandez camp to make whatever decision they want to make, and let us know whether you want to stay or what you want to leave. So after that report came outside, not quite long, another report, na counter report to that report wey be say I dey talk before, saying that Manchester City make a 102.5 million euros bid, no be euros, pounds, sorry, for Enzo Fernandez. And presently about now, Chelsea are standing on their ground that, oh boy, 120 million euros or nothing. And presently about now, Chelsea are even eyeing Enzo Fernandez more than that 20 million. They are even earning something, a price of about 139 million pounds. Omo Chelsea, you sabi do work, you sabi do business. What are the Chelsea do? Chelsea are not even looking forward to sell Enzo Fernandez because he is part of Xabi Alonso's project, but the brother is planning on leaving. I don't understand. And as for my own thoughts, a player that is not happy under Xabi Alonso's project to what? Leave. Make him leave. There are some players wey dey there now wey be say dem dey look for opportunity to play under Xabi Alonso. You are opportune to play under one of the best manager in the world. You come dey do like this. No problem. Na because you don win Club World Cup and FIFA World Cup for both countries and club, na im dey make you do like this. And even look at the Mastercard performance wey be say Mastercard performance wey Enzo Fernandez draw for World Cup. I was even thinking of, I don dey happy say oh boy, let's even see if the brother is going to stay at Chelsea Football Club, but as of things wey dey on ground now, I don't think the brother is going to remain at Chelsea Football Club. So moving on, another report again saying that Chelsea are standing their ground 120 million net, no euros, and with payment they are not going to be allowing euros payment. Na pounds we wan collect our money, 120 million pounds for the brother. And they are moving on by saying that details are now clarified to all parties. Chelsea has made it clear to both Manchester City and Enzo Fernandez camp and him himself say, oh boy, all these things wey you dey do, you don already dey ready since May, wey be say you don wan leave. So we are not surprised at all. We no dey surprised at all at all. So moving on to the matter of the new player wey be say Chelsea dey linked with for maybe probably a replacement for Enzo Fernandez, which is Monaco, the Senegalese player Lamine Camara, the 22 years old player. Oh boy, when I saw this report, I was like, wetin Chelsea wan use this one do? And first of all, the thing that was even making me feel like we should not go for this border is the record. Chelsea transfer record with Monaco has been poor, very 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 poor. Since back then in those days wey be say we don dey do transfer window matter, transfer business with Monaco, one of them has not been successful. All of the players wey Chelsea get from AS Monaco, all of them, none of them work out for Chelsea Football Club. Number one of them, this our last player wey we buy, Badashile, Benoit Badaoshi. Number two, Axel Disasi. Number three, Bakayoko. These three players, none of them worked out for us at all. Now going to the market to go and get Lamine Camara, the brother na hot cake. I saw some people saying that they watch his highlights, say the brother good, but for me I don't think this should work out for Chelsea Football Club. I don't even think of it at all. Don't see Chelsea Football Club. We already hear a report that you guys are interested in Fabian Ruiz, the 60-year-old man. I say 60-year-old man, 30-year-old man who no get hype at all, no hype for him body. The brother na proper baller. He go deliver, he go still give us like 2 or 3 years. And PSG asking price is 60 million. Can we just wrap this up and get this Fabian Ruiz for that 60 million than going for a Camara wey be say he go later come Chelsea, no go drop one masterclass performance for us, just one masterclass performance for us. So here is what I think about this matter. Chelsea fans, let me know what you think under the comment section while we move to the matter of players wey be say Chelsea are now moving and now looking forward to considering a sell move for them. Last but not the least, may I no forget, I no remember to put Benoit Badiashile matter for headline. We go talk about that one too. Last but not the least, at the final report. So report is saying that Chelsea are considering the sale of Liam Delap, Nicolas Jackson and Maguire, and their asking price, Chelsea asking price on top these players is, first of all, Liam Delap 30 million euros plus. Another report is coming outside again on this Delap, but I say Chelsea are now asking price on Delap is 50 million. When I saw that report, I shout yay. When we go come carry Delap sell for team, when we go comot am for our team. If Chelsea is asking for 50 million euros, who of these teams who be poor person, who be say him na dull person wey go come carry 50 million for Delap? Delap wey play one season for Chelsea without scoring 2 goals. Oh boy. Hey, this is a play. Chelsea, no, just tell me, is this a play? It should better be a play. Chelsea, make una warn yourself. Una dey do everything good, make una no be like say na Delap we go get issue. For na Delap matter we go get issue. So just stay on that 30 million, abeg. 30 million last, or 35 for Delap, abeg. We bought him for 30, let's just get him 35. Let's grab everything up to 35 million plus add-ons plus everything, 35 million pounds, abeg. Chelsea, make him carry him wahala dey go. While we move on to the matter of Nicolas Jackson, Chelsea asking price on Nicolas Jackson is 63 million pounds, sorry. Wrapping everything up plus add-ons, 17 million pounds. And after that report came outside, we already see some clubs that are interested in Nicolas Jackson internally. Atletico Madrid number one on the list. They are the one leading the race. No club to club agreement, no club to club talks have been made between Chelsea. Contact has not been made at all between Chelsea and Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid never contact Chelsea say, oh boy, we need your player. But with the report that is on ground, na internally dem dey use talk about Nicolas Jackson matter. So we go dey monitor im matter also, but for my own thought, I don't think Chelsea should sell this Nicolas Jackson. Even on loan, we should leave him. And before I set on my camera, a report came outside that Nicolas Jackson wants to fight for his position at Chelsea Football Club under Xabi Alonso. The brother is looking forward to stay at Chelsea to what? To fight for his position under who? Under Xabi Alonso. He is very happy to stay at Chelsea Football Club, and I'm very happy with this report. If this report comes outside to be true, if it comes out to be true, oh boy, I go dey very very happy. Say Nicolas Jackson just remain at Chelsea, but I'm having it in my mind. One instinct is telling me that Nicolas Jackson will end up staying at Chelsea next season. The brother go fight for his position. E dey very sure for me. But let's just see what Chelsea can do about his brother. Whether we go see club that will come for him to what? To buy him. And while we move on to the matter of Magri, Chelsea, I won't lie to you. You don make am say na £25 million you wan sell this brother. If anything come for am, oh boy, wetin I mean? Clear. This guy no get anything with the benefit from am. He went to Sunderland, Chelsea cut off his loan deal. Back then, he came back to Chelsea and then nothing to offer. Nothing to offer for us. So Chelsea, abeg, people I would like you to say, Delap, Magri, and Poyet Tebana, Emmanuel Emeka at Chelsea is still under maybe. The border is not untouchable. Na touchable. Clubs na touchable. Emmanuel Emeka na touchable. For una wey be say una need am, come carry am, carry money come. He's on sale. The border dey market. Abeg, Chelsea don make am clear also say the border stay at Chelsea is not a possibility, not 100%. Oh boy, come buy Emeka, come buy Delap, come buy Magui. I dey patronize for una now o. I dey patronize for una, make una no fight o. So moving to Bernard Badiashile matter, Napoli are now wrapping up a loan deal of £2.5 million for him with a loan deal of an option to buy, which is obligation to buy. See Chelsea, with obligation to buy, with option to buy, both things na the same thing. Na conditional loan deal me I want. Say under no circumstance you must get him at the end of the season. He perform well, he no perform well, it is a must you buy am. You get my point. So Bernard Badiashile, if you like play well, if you like don't play well, that one no concern me. The thing wey be say me I know be say Chelsea must agree a conditional loan deal. Say you play well o, you no do well o, you must trigger that loan deal. You must you must trigger it. So moving to the last but not the least, Tosin matter, because today another report is circulating around. Somebody should help me to thank the Lord. Somebody should just say praise the Lord under the comment section. Say Tosin is about to leave this club. Tosin Adarabioyo wan later leave comot for Chelsea o. Ask me say why I dey talk like this. Report is coming outside for Benfica that they are having high interest in Tosin. They want to get the brother. They want to get him. Chelsea fans, I will be very very happy. I know everybody will be happy to see that Chelsea later end up leaving Chelsea Football Club. So Tosin, go dey gather your luggage, because I don dey hear say you don dey give opinion say you wan stay for London. Free agent wey be collect you come dey you dey decide, you dey kpai. Tosin, you dey kpanyan. Me I no hear that thing again o. Just accept say you dey go Benfica or you wan stay for Premier League but not at Chelsea Football Club. Why Chelsea what? Walk you out of our team. So Chelsea fans, let me know what you think under the comment section. Tap the like button, e dey very very important. Don't forget to subscribe. Another one wey be say na key thing wey be say I go dey tell everybody for every day on this my platform. Just what? I'ma see you guys on the next one.